Recently, I saw a video. A young man had been talking to AI about how he was feeling, really heavy emotions, and later something terrible happened. Now the parents are blaming the AI. When I watched the video, I didn't rush to say AI is bad. I also didn't feel comfortable saying AI is fine. Because the truth is, it is more complicated than that. Let's be honest. A lot of people talk to AI about personal things now, not just assignments, not business ideas, not CVs, but deep emotions. And here in Nigeria too, many people are using AI as someone to vent to. At night, when your friends are asleep, when you don't want judgments, when therapy seems expensive, when you just want someone to respond, you type and it replies instantly. No attitude, no worries, no you worry too much, no why not pray about it, no other people have it worst, just a response. So I understand why people go there. But here is where we need to slow down. AI is designed to respond, not to take responsibility. It talks like a human, but it does not carry human responsibility. AI is not a person. It doesn't know your history. It can't see your face. AI doesn't hear silence. It can't notice when a message sounds different from yesterday. I understand that sometimes it feels like deep understanding, but actually it's just pattern matching. Talking to AI is not the problem. Replacing humans with AI is the problem. It should not be where you disappear into, because healing requires presence, not just a response. And presence is something technology still cannot give. So maybe the ideal way to use AI is to use it to organize your thoughts. Use it to journal. Use AI to calm down. Use it to understand your feelings. But when the issue becomes heavier, move from screen to human. Siblings, friends, counselors, mentor, pastors, professional, someone who can notice you, not just answer you, someone who understands how you feel. Technology is powerful, but it can't replace human relationship. AI can support you, it should not hold you. So before we blame AI or depend on it, you need to understand how to use it wisely. Because the question is no longer, should we use AI? The real question is, are we using it? Or is it quietly becoming where we are? Just something to think about.